Alright, recording the sewer line here at 652 Northwest 51st. Date's August 10th, 2020. I'm recording this from the inside clean out here in the basement of the house. What we're looking at now is the Seattle City main flowing by down 51st, up and down 51st here in the middle of the road. I'm going to pull back from this point. We'll get a look at the line and kind of assess the condition as we go. So, coming back from that city main, we're in 6-inch diameter pipe, clay material. Cockeyed sideways here, so every 2-3 feet or so you have a joint or a connection point. You see those? So yep. There's one. These are the weak points in the pipe. These are where the roots come through and where you also get shifting and offsetting. So far it doesn't look too bad. You definitely have roots come in. You can see them, little ones there, gone unattended. I mean, give those a year or two, those things will be fully the size of the pipe. I mean, they just explode inside. Once they get in the pipe, they just keep growing and growing. There's pretty bad roots through that little section there.
Alright, so need to do more root X and then clean it out eventually?
I mean, where you're at now, you're not in a terrible spot, so continued root X treatments would be a good thing.
Okay.
Okay, there's our 4x6 diameter shift. I'm going to go locate this spot up front real quick.
Okay.
Pause the video. Okay, resuming the recording here. That is the end of our 6-inch diameter, so we've got 37 feet from the main back to that spot. We're going to zero out that footage one more time to get a length on the 4-inch portion of the line. So 4-inch diameter pipe now. See that hole in the top of the pipe?
Okay.
That's a root busted through. That's obviously starting to affect the structural integrity of the pipe, so it's broken through the top of the pipe. Better that it's not on the bottom pipe like the other spot, but it's still something that will need to be addressed. Roots coming through there. There's that tie-in likely at the front that shows on the map. See that guy?
Oh yeah.
Kind of half moon.
Yeah.
Possibly a former downspout. A little bit of root intrusion through there. Back into this concrete crap, and you can see we're starting to fall apart right there where the two sections connect to each other.
Yep.
And a hole in the pipe there. Okay, so that's the hole we already knew about. And back into the cast iron pipe and coming right back up towards the house. So we've got, call it 28 feet, 30 feet of 4-inch diameter pipe and 37 feet of 6-inch.